Whenever you're planning a trip and need to rent a car, you always want to get the best deal possible on a car rental. But how do you do that? Which is a better deal? Will rates drop anyway soon after you book? That's where AutoSlash.com comes in. AutoSlash lets you stay out of the deal hunting business but not miss out on the savings. When you submit your car rental request to AutoSlash, our system searches through hundreds of coupons and discount codes to get you the lowest rate possible. You'll get an email with the best deals available and instructions on how to book, but that's just the beginning. But what happens if rates drop after you book? Don't worry, AutoSlash has you covered. Just track your rental reservation on our website and we'll notify you anytime we find a better deal. You can rebook at the lower rate and save even more money. It's like price protection for your rental. Our customers end up paying less, sometimes far less than their originally booked price. AutoSlash is dedicated to saving people money on car rentals. Best of all, it's completely free. You can't lose. Keep an eye out for our Slash deals. We now offer fully cancelable prepaid rentals, which can be even cheaper than a typical pay later deal. AutoSlash.com. We automatically slash your rental rates.